Hello class 9 students. Today we discuss chapter 9, that is Python programming language in a subject computer. Okay, in this chapter we will learn following topic like what is computer language first. There are various type of computer languages. Then we discuss procedure oriented programming language and object oriented programming language. Then basic concepts of the Python programming language, how to execute the Python programming, and this all point we will discuss in this video. So first is computer language. So a program is written in a specific language called programming language. In a computer, program is written in a specific language that is known as a programming language. Now this language can be easily translated into the machine level language, which is computer language. So we write program, that is programming language. Our program will convert it into the computer language, because computer will understand only 0 and 1, that is binary language. Now there are two type of programming language. First is low level programming language and second is high level programming language. Now which is low level language and which is high level language we will discuss. So low level language are machine oriented. So like it is a difficult to write and not easy to understand, because this is directly related with the machines. Okay, and what is machine level language? The language which use the binary digit. Binary digit means 0 and 1. So whenever I do the coding through the binary digits, so that is known as a machine level language. And next is assembly level language. What is the assembly? This language use the letter and symbols, okay, instead of binary digits. Okay, rather than binary digit, if I am using letters and symbols, that is known as a assembly level language. So everyone understand which is the low level language. First is machine level language and second is assembly level language. Now high level language. Normally we write our programming high level language. So because it is easy to write, easy to understand, and then after we will like convert into the machine level programming language. So high level language are easier for the programmer to understand. They are not dependent on any particular computer machine. So this is like big advantages for the programmer, and few examples are QBasic, C, C++, Java, Python. All are we write in high level programming language. So hopefully everyone understand which is low level programming language and which is high level programming language. Now we discuss what is procedure oriented programming and what is object oriented programming. So in a procedure programming, program is divided into the number of sub programs. Okay, we have write our big program, but all the programs are divided into the small program, that is known as the functions. Okay, so program are divided into the functions. Clear? So an examples are C language, and here the main focus is on function rather than data. Here we cannot emphasize on like data, but we can emphasize on functions only. So hopefully everyone understand what is procedure programming language, an example of the procedure programming language. And what is object oriented? In object oriented program is divided into the building blocks called objects. Okay, and then through the object we can access the data and function around the program. So here we can emphasize on data rather than functions. Here like data is more important rather than function. An example of the object oriented programming is C++. Clear? So hopefully everyone understand the procedure and object oriented programming language. Now in this chapter we discuss about what is Python and how to write coding in Python programming language. So Python is widely used, interpreted and object oriented programming language. Clear? It is object oriented programming language because it supports the procedure as well as object. Object in means it supports the class, polymorphism. These all concepts are supported in Python programming language, and Python was developed in 1999 at National Research Institute at Netherlands. So it is like designed quite before like 1991, and most famous platform where the Python is extensively used is a YouTube. Okay, YouTube, in which nowadays also we are using the Python programming language. We just I'm just give the brief. First of all, tell you from it is a open source. Python is open source programming language. Open source means you can freely download from the websites. Which website? That is www.python.org. Okay, under the downloads there are various versions available. You can download the Python. For example, in our syllabus that is 3.6 you can download. Okay, one thing you need to care, you can download according your OS bits. Like if your OS is 32 bits or 64 bit, accordingly you need to download the Python version. Okay, after downloading you have to go into the start all programs Python 6.3.6 and click on IDLE. Okay, so when you click on IDLE, your Python screen will be open. So hopefully everyone understand from where it is Python need to download, and you just need to take care first whether your system is supported on 32 bit or 64 bit. Okay, you can check from the My Computer, right click on the My Computer and properties. When you click on properties, you can able to view your system is 32 bit or 64 bit OS. Okay, so next is when you open the Python, there are two way we can execute the Python program. Okay, first is interactive mode and second is script mode. So you can see my cursor. This is the interactive mode. What exactly interactive mode work? Here type of the command in the front of Python prompt and Python will immediately give you the result. Okay, you can see that 3.3 plus 6. So output will be 9, immediately show in my prompt screen. Same way s equal to 80, and whenever I write s, the value of the s is 80, so 80 will be print. So hopefully everyone understand what is interactive in Python programming language. Now we will discuss script mode. Okay, the image of the script mode is this. How to open script mode? You have to go into the file and new. Okay, you are again, there are different menus you can see on top side. You have to select the file and click on new. Okay, when you click on new, then script mode is open. You can see my image. Okay, here write all the commands in the form of program files. Here we can write the command one by one, and after writing the command we have just click on F5. When you click on F5 or click on run, under the run menu you have to run the program. So after running your program, your output will be displayed in command prompt. Clear? So hopefully here I just give you here the name of the program. When you save your program, by default it is untitled. There are different menus: file, edit, format. Okay, help menu is also available. Here we have to write the programs. So this is known as a Python editor. So which operations we will perform in Python editor, I will just discuss one by one. Like we can open the new files, like click on the file menu and click on the new file. Okay, so like new programs we can write. Then after, if you want to open an existing program, then under the file menu click on open options. Then after, new dialog box is open. From select the location where your existing program is there and click on open. So existing program is open. Save, simple Control S or click on file and save button. Okay, when you click on save, you need to write the file name and .py, very important. The extension of Python programming language is .py. So write the name of your file, then .py. Run module. Okay, as I already say, you can click on F5 or click on run. Under the run, there is a run module is available. When you click on, after writing your program, when you click on this command, then your output will be you can able to view on command prompt. Now if you want to leave the screen, you have to click on exit menu. The file under that exit menu is available. So hopefully everyone understand basic operations in the Python editor. Now we will discuss different variables. First of all, it is very important to know Python is case sensitive language. Case sensitive, it means if you write in small or if you write in capital, so both are considered as a different. Clear? In Python, you do not need to declare the variables. No need to define the data types of the variables. That means, okay, the variable declaration happen automatically when you assign the values to the variables. For example, I will assign the value a equal to 12. So automatically Python programming language consider a become an integer because I have assigned 12, and if I assign b equal to 12.13, so automatically consider as a b equal to float, data type as a float. So hopefully understand what is variable and how to define the variables in Python programming language. Now next is multiple assignments. Here we can assign the multiple values together to the multiple variables. We can assign the value. For example, a equal to b equal to 2. So 2 value assigned to the a as well as variables b. So how to assign the multiple assignments, clear? Now we talk about valid variable name. Variable name or identifier. This should follow in Python programming language. There are several rules we need to follow. Like we can use the uppercase letter or lowercase letter or underscore. We cannot use any special symbols under the variable name like @ hash, question mark. Clear? So we have to use this word only. Now Python keywords not allowed to be used in the variable name. Python keywords like print is a keyword, break is a keyword, continue. So these all keywords we cannot use as a variable name. Next, except the first character, digits 0 to 9 are allowed. Okay, digits are allowed under the variable name, but first character should not be digit. So these are the rules in the Python programming language. So we just need to know before starting the program. Now we just discuss about the data type. What is data type? Data stored in the memory can be many forms, like we are using the data type, but what exactly data type will do? Data type through which our data is stored in our memory, and there are 3 types of data type. Basic type of data type, there is more is available, tuple and string, but first we discuss these 3 basic data type. As already we discussed integer and float. Now we talk about string. What is a string? Here set of character represented in the quotation mark. Like you can see that my variable name is str. Here I will use the hello world under the quotation. So the hello world is stored in my variable str. So this is known as a string data type. Now there are various operators in the Python programming language: arithmetic operator, comparison operator, logical operator. We will discuss one by one. So this all are arithmetic operator: addition, subtraction, division, exponent. Exponent means if I want to find the power of any number, then we are using the sign of exponent, like 2 raised to 3. If I want to power of 2 or 2 raised to 3, that is 8. Clear? So I am using the sign exponent. So this all are arithmetic model. Comparison operator, whenever I want to compare 2 variables or identifier, then I am using the comparison operator, that is equal to, both the variables are same or not, less than, greater than. So this all are comparison operator. Next, logical operator. Logical operator, there are 3 logical operator in Python: AND, or not. So what is meant by AND? A logical AND operator, if the both, here we will check the condition, and if the condition is true, then return the value in the boolean form. I just repeat, here we check the condition, and if my condition is true, then return the value in the boolean form. Boolean form is true or false. Clear? So if both the condition are true, for example, the value of a become a 10 and value of b become a 13. So I will check that a is less than b. So yes, condition is true. and I also check that b equal to 3 13. Yeah, so b equal to 13, so both condition are true, so it will return the boolean value. Boolean value means true or false, so it will return the true. Clear? So same way or will be do, or means what, any one condition will be true, so output will be considered as a true. In our syllabus we will just discuss about the basic of the Python operator. We will discuss later on in a the programming language also, like how to, like in our Python programming, how to coding, and we use this all operators. So hopefully everyone understand which are the Python logical operators and what exactly this will return. Now next is membership operator. Which are the membership operator? In and not in. Okay, if I want to check that there is my large strings are there, or large data is the 100 variables, and if I want to check that this number is available or not. For example, 1 to 1000 my data is there, and if I want to check that X number is available in my string or list, so for this I am using the in operator. What I exactly check, if the X number is available, it will return the boolean value true, and if the not available, it will return the false. So it will return the output in the form of boolean, that is true or false. So hopefully everyone understand what is membership operator. Now last is identify operator. What is identify? Identify work on our memory. For example, A and B both are work on same memory location. So for that, if I want to check that A and B are both on same memory locations. So if I want to check that, for this I am using is operator. Okay, if the A and B are in same location, it will return the true. And if an A, like for example, A equal to 10 and B equal to 20, so both are on different location on memory, so it will return the false, but the value is same, so in that time it will return the true. So fully everyone understand the basic. Now Python operator first program. This is if I want to print the hello world. Clear? So how to write this program? So here I have specified 3 lines. I think everyone able to view this is hash sign in my first line. Hash print hello world. So what is hash? Hash is a considered as a comment. Okay, comment in my programming language. So whenever I will write hash and then after, so this is not to be like run and view. It is just for programmer purpose. I just repeat whenever I am writing hash and then after any word, so this is not like considered as a programming, this is only for the programmer. Clear? So first is my comment line. Now second is I am defining the function in Python programming language. So how to define the function? Using the keyword def. Okay, so using the keyword def, then name of the function. Like here I am write the first, you can write anything. Okay, then after bracket and colon is necessary in a Python programming because these are the syntax. So this is like how to define the function. And last, inside the function, this is very important because here the space is matter, so you have to write inside. So here inside I have print hello world. Okay, so after printing hello world, you can see like on the right hand side hello world is printed on the command prompt. Okay, so after writing the program, you need to save your program and click on F5. When you click on F5, your cursor will come on the right side, that is command prompt. And here what I have to do, I have to call the functions. I have just called the function first and the curly brackets. So whenever I calling first, it will goes here, and whatever write inside the print, it will be printed. So hopefully everyone